Chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds have gained a reputation as a superfood for weight loss and management, thanks to their unique nutritional profile and ability to support healthy weight loss efforts. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them a valuable ally in your journey to shed extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. One critical way chia seeds can aid in weight loss is by promoting satiety and reducing cravings. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like consistency that expands in the stomach, helping you feel full and satisfied. This can prevent overeating and snacking between meals, ultimately supporting your weight loss goals. Chia seeds promote satiety and are fiber-rich, aiding digestion and regulating blood sugar levels. By including chia seeds in your diet, you can help prevent spikes in blood sugar that can lead to cravings and overeating, making it easier to maintain a balanced and healthy eating pattern. Numerous studies and weight loss success stories have highlighted the effectiveness of chia seeds in supporting weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Participants who incorporated chia seeds into their meals reported feeling fuller for longer, experiencing reduced cravings, and achieving their weight loss goals more effectively. To incorporate chia seeds into your weight loss journey, consider adding them creatively and delicately to your meals and snacks. Sprinkle chia seeds over yogurt or oatmeal, mix them into smoothies or salads, or use them as a thickening agent in soups or sauces. You can also use chia seeds to make chia pudding, energy balls, or homemade granola bars for a satisfying and nutritious snack. By including chia seeds in your diet and following a balanced eating plan, you can harness the weight loss benefits of these nutrient-rich seeds and support your overall health and well-being. Stay tuned as we explore the role of chia seeds in weight loss in this video. Chia seeds are rich in essential nutrients and pack a powerful punch when it comes to minerals vital for overall health and well-being. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, offering minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that play critical roles in various bodily functions. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of calcium, making them a valuable addition to a vegan or dairy-free diet. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals can boost calcium intake and support bone health and overall vitality. Magnesium is another essential mineral found in chia seeds. It plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body and is crucial for energy production, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Including magnesium-rich foods like chia seeds can help maintain optimal magnesium levels and support overall health and well-being. Phosphorus is a mineral that works with calcium to support bone health, energy metabolism, and cell function. Chia seeds are a good source of phosphorus, helping to maintain the balance of minerals in the body and supporting various physiological processes. In addition to their impressive mineral content, chia seeds offer a well-rounded nutrition profile with a good balance of macronutrients, fiber, and protein. These seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential vitamins, making them a nutrient-dense addition to your diet.